Hello, hello, my beautiful friends and listeners out there. What a blessing to be alive again today. Our God is able, He's so good. I'm just grateful to God for being alive, for keeping my family alive, and I'm also grateful to God for your family. It's a blessing to be counted amongst the living. Our God is so good. He deserves all the praises and all the honor. Happy new month, more blessings and more of God's favor in your life this April month. And so, if you are new on this channel, my name is Princess Kofa. You are welcome to the Advice Center. This is the place where we motivate people to do what is right in the society, and we also go into the Bible, which is the Word of Truth. We study the Bible on every Tuesday, and on every Thursday we talk about important things that are happening in and around the world. So today should be our devotional time, but because of the Easter week on last week, every day of the week we had regular devotion every morning. You are welcome to check out those videos. And so today I'm going to just share 7 tips with you on how you can live a happy and a peaceful life. And so let's get the ball rolling. The first one I have on my list here is do what you have passion for and do what you know how to do best. Once you have passion for that job or that which you want to do, and you will be able to give it your best. So do what you have passion for and what you know how to do best. That's the first one on the list. The second one is don't try to do more than what you have energy for. The third one on the list is do one thing at a time. In that way you will be focused and you will be able to do it the right way. So do one thing at a time. That's the third one. The fourth one is stop stressing yourself over things you do not have control over. The Bible says, how many of you by worrying, can add a string of hair on your head? No one. So that which you do not have control over, do not stress yourself over it, because you cannot solve it, you cannot handle it at that point in time. So all you need to do is let go and let God take over. So do not stress yourself over things you do not have control over and things you cannot fix. Or the fifth one is stop focusing on what others have done. Stop focusing on what others have done. The race is not to the swift, but he that endureth to the end. We are all different people. We have different plans. We have different speeds in life. So focus on what you've decided to do, and stop focusing on what others have done. The sixth one is take up time to rest. I know it is hard. The world is so hard. We have to work. But all work without play makes Jack a dull boy. That's the saying. Take up time and rest. Go on vacation, spend time on yourself, spend time with your family, relax your mind, have fun. Just keep smiling, let the smile keep rolling. So take up time and rest. And finally, submit yourself to God. Submit yourself to God. He will help you to do that which you ought to do and give you a peace of mind. So that's the 7 tips I have for you today. I know there are lots of tips out there that you can use to help you have a peaceful and a happy life. And it's my prayer that you are going to grab 1 or 2 out of them. And yeah, we know the word is hard, but God is able to give you a peace of mind. God bless you. I love you, and I'll catch you on Thursday. Bye-bye.